How to fix TikTok videos not uploading on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open Settings and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Then tap Photos. Find TikTok and make sure it has permission to access your photos. If available, select All Photos so TikTok can access the videos you want to upload. Now, open TikTok and tap Profile at the bottom. Then tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Next to Cache, tap Clear and Confirm. After that, close TikTok completely. Then open it again. If you're still having trouble, make sure TikTok is updated. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, and check for available updates. If TikTok has an update, tap Update. Finally, open TikTok and try uploading your video again. And that's how you can troubleshoot TikTok videos that won't upload on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.